Hi guys! First time to cook pork adobo here in Italy. Na-miss ko sobra ang pork adobo guys kasi sa Jakarta hindi ako makapagluto ng adobo doon. Kasi hindi masarap yung baboy nila. So finally, dito kami sa Italy. Magluluto ako ng pork adobo. So, meron ako dito salted black beans kasi lagyan ko ng black beans yung adobo. Tapos, mayroon dito onion and garlic. So, ito yung spices, boxes ko guys. No, I don't need that powdered garlic. I have black pepper, turmeric, cloves, green tea. This one is laurel at buo na paminta at matcha. So yun lang dinala ko this time kasi I'm really looking forward na makapagluto ako ng pork adobo. So ito yung soya sauce ko na dinala ko from Indonesia, and wala ditong Filipino vinegar. So ito yung yung apple cider vinegar. Yun lang yung halo ko. Napaka-sunny day pala dito sa Sapada. Magti-trekking kami mamaya guys. Mag-add na tayo ng onion at garlic. Ito lang. Simple pork adobo. So we'll add now black pepper. This is laurel.
Oh yeah, I also should make this first. I think it's fine.
Finally, luto na yung pork adobo ko, guys. Enjoy my Italiana. Enjoy your dinner.
So you just gave me pork.
Huh?
You just gave me pork.
No. Right. No. Right? No, right? What do you think, Daddy?
All good.
Yummy? Enjoy.